Hi everyone. So today we'll revise quickly about the facial fractures. Okay, so we can divide our facial fractures into three parts: the upper one third fracture, the middle one third fracture, and the lower one third fracture. Right now, the upper one third fracture, the which bones can get involved: the frontal bone, frontal sinus, and of course the supraorbital ridges. Right now, coming to the middle one third, which bone get involved in middle? Our nasal bone can get involved, number one. Number two, of course, the nasoorbital structure area. Then we have zygoma. Okay, then we have our maxillary bone. So these bones can get involved in the middle one third fracture. Coming to the lower one third fracture, what bones can get involved? Number one, our mandible can get involved, and the alveolar process also can get involved. Fine. So these are the structure, the fractures according to the parts of the face. Clear? Now next is like, what are the types of fracture in case of nasal bone fracture? So there are three types of fracture. Number one is also known as the Chevrolet fracture. Number two, also known as Jarjabai fracture, and number three is the naso-orbito-ethmoidal fracture. So three components are there: naso-orbito and ethmoidal fracture. Now coming to the fractures of maxilla. As we know, fractures of maxilla, we have three types of fracture: the Le-Fort fracture, Le-Fort 1, Le-Fort 2, and Le-Fort 3. Le-Fort 1 is a horizontal fracture, whereas Le-Fort 2 is a pyramidal fracture, and Le-Fort 3 also known as craniofacial disjunction. There is a like cranium part and facial part get separated by this Le-Fort type 3 fracture. And please remember, in Le-Fort type 3 fracture there is a highest possibility of CSF leak. Okay, now coming to the floor of orbit fracture. The floor of orbit fracture, also known as blowout fracture, and here radiologically we can see teardrop sign. Clear? In case of mandibular fracture, the most common region is subcondylar region, and there you can see one sign called parade ground sign or guardsman sign, which is seen in subcondylar fracture of the mandible.